The High Court on Saturday briefly heard two petitions pleading to quash and set aside the notification dated 6 November issued by Goa State Election Commission regarding reservation for South Goa District Jila Panchayat elections. The reservations have been challenged on several grounds, including that Nube and Kurturim ZP constituency are wrongly reserved for OBCs. The petitioners have also contended that as the 5 seats are reserved for OBC in South Goa Jila Panchayat constituency, but according to law, 2 seats should be reserved for OBC women, which has not been done. The High Court has further issued notice to the Goa State Election Commission and has fixed the hearing for Tuesday. The High Court is also scheduled to hear the petition related with Anjuna ZP constituency reservation on Tuesday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.